Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Chris May with Coldwell Banker Realty, and I'm about to show you another one of my new listings. It's going to be a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo, which I'll show you in just a moment. But I wanted to tell you a little bit about the condo's location, as it is one of its strongest features. It's in this small, intimate live, work, and play community of Clarks Grove. Then Clarks Grove is only about 1 mile off the town square of Covington, Georgia, which I'll give you a tour of right after you see the condo. And that brings us back here to the condo. This is 4143 North Swann Street, and as I said, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, only built in 2018. There's just over 1,200 square feet of living space, and the access is both possible through the stairs from the building's beautiful lobby, of course, but also a very convenient elevator that lets you out right in front of your front door. Once inside, you'll see quartz countertops, not just in the kitchen, but also in both bathrooms, large center island with additional seating, real hardwood floors, 10-foot ceilings, 10-inch baseboards, plus crown molding, plantation shutters throughout, stainless appliance package, and both bathrooms are loaded with marble. So after your tour, stick around and I'll show you just some of what the Covington Town Square has got to offer, and it's just a mile up the road. Now let's go in and take a full look. And we're back. So again, location here is also great, not just because it's in the Clarks Grove, but also because Clarks Grove is only a walkable mile or a short golf cart ride to downtown Covington City Square. You'll also have direct access to the Cricket Frog Trail, which is miles of paved trails that will also get you into town. Close to the Covington Square is one of the top places to live in the county. Here's why. The square offers an endless supply of unique shopping experiences, plenty of dining opportunities. Covington is always hosting special events, anything from live entertainment with dancing in the streets to local art festivals, movies on the square, car shows, and much more. Covington is somewhat of a tourist town, as it's well known for being in multiple TV shows and movies for many years. It's referred to as the Hollywood of the South, as it's common to see film crews around town, but we also have a large movie studio just up the road. The center square is a beautiful place to just sit and enjoy your day. Just a quick walk around the square offers plenty of unique restaurants, many offering outdoor seating, such as Lucky Day Tacos with a beautiful bar. City Pharmacy also has seating on the square, beautiful dining room plus a bar. Mystic Grill is recognizable from TV and movies, but always offers great food and dining experience for the locals, and even has a rooftop bar and seating, which is a perfect place to watch events on the square or have a nice evening dinner with live entertainment. Sidewalk seating is also available at the Social Goat, or it's got a bar and multiple dining rooms. Come grab an ice cream or sweet treat at Scoops and continue to walk around the square and visit many cute locally owned businesses. Anything from the music store, Candy Warhol's vinyl records and skate shop, stick your head into Wild Art Studio, who also offers art lessons. Need to expand your already huge t-shirt collection? Rush Tees can help you with that. Bread and Butter Coffee and Pastry Shop is a good spot to hang out or do some teleworking. Plenty of home goods stores and clothing boutiques, both new and used, are all here. There's plenty more here as I've just scratched the surface and I don't have time to show it all to you. But if you'd like a tour of this home or the area, I'd love to hear from you. If you've got questions or you'd like the support documents to this condo, please give me a call at 404-803-4669 or email me at chris.may@cbrealty.com. Have you got a home to sell? Love a chance to interview to be your realtor too. Please visit ravingfansrealestate.com for more information, as well as all my past client reviews under the About Me tab at the top. I'm a full-time realtor of over 11 years, over 250 sold properties under my belt, and I pride myself in going above and beyond for all my clients, and I'd love for you to be next. I look forward to hearing from you, and as always, thanks for watching.